mean, I had last time it was able to start.
Okay.
Was Christmas Day.
Oh wow. Okay.
And well, I mean, I drove it to my son's house and I came back. It's not a typical battery drag, but it would like and then it would go boom, you know, like a catch.
Gotcha. Okay.
Well, the battery's
Then,
brand new.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah,
Good.
we just put it in Saturday.
All right, so we can skip that then. That's good. The what?
I just noticed somebody hit my car.
Right there?
Yeah.
That wasn't there before?
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice.
It's been parked here?
It's come up for 3 months. It's been parked here. Yeah. Yeah. Leave it up to you. Are you Daniel, you said?
Yep.
Oh, good. Hey,
Yep.
I got the best. I read your reviews. You
Thank you,
got the
thank
best.
you.
Yeah. No click.
All right. So I got something for that too. That's actually a super common issue. Right. I know the battery's gonna test good, but yeah, so 88%. I knew this was gonna test good. I just going through the motions.
Well,
I mean, just guessing. I'm thinking I'm gonna find a starter. 30 amp starter fuse. Alright guys, so we have a no start issue 2005 Cadillac CTS with the 3.6 liter V6. Try to spin it over, we have nothing, not even a click. So we're gonna go through the electrical, make sure we got signal to the starter before we deem the starter if it is that at all. I'm going to start by ohming the starter fuse. Starter fuse is good. Now we're going to look for the starter relay. $30 and $87. Boom. Just going to go like this. Turn the ignition on. That darn thing's so loud. Let's see what happens if we jump it. Okay. Nothing there. So that eliminates the relay. So we checked the fuse, checked the relay, eliminated the ignition switch, the computer, everything, shot signal straight to the starter, and still nothing. So now I'm going to get to the starter down there and see if we got signal and power and ground. If we do, then we're going to be looking at replacing a starter. Okay, starter's not on this side. Pull this wheel off to get better access. Good ground. There it is. Alright, so we definitely got voltage to it. Alright, so basically I gotta get to my signal wire here. It does have 12 volts to it, constant power. So now I need to get that signal wire out to signal. There we go. Signal wire is out. One day I'm going to figure out the perfect way to rearrange this stuff here to actually be functional. This is where this kit really comes in handy for plugging into things like this. That's a good connection. Take our positive lead here. Honestly, doesn't matter which one you use. Just trying to see voltage. Get up here. Again. Alright. Alligator clip, give it some ground. Put it there. Okay, and I can see my voltage from in here. And there it is. 12 volts right to the starter. 12 volts right to the starter. Needs a starter. And that's how you diagnose a starter. Alright, so here's what we got, guys. Basically, the Cadillac needs a starter. We have 12 constant volts to the starter, and we have 12 volts to our signal wire when we're on our signal wire. So definitely, without a doubt, a starter. And I mean, the solenoid's not responding at all. It's not even clicking or anything. So unfortunately, we do have to order the starter. So we're gonna be going back another time, probably, hopefully next week, actually, to change that starter out. So this video had to be continued another day. But not much content in this video, but I wanted to get something out there. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate the support on the channel. Hit that subscribe and like button if you haven't already. And hey, I hope this helped you to at least figure out how to diagnose a starter issue, or at least one way to do it. But thanks again for watching, you guys, and I'll see you next time.